AMALearning, you're about to. Specification, point 3.17. B. Describe the inheritance of the ABO blood groups with reference to codominance and multiple alleles. To successfully answer any GCSE questions linked to this topic, you will need to explain what codominance is and how blood groups are inherited. This is a biology-only specification point. Now let's explore ABO blood groups, which are an example of codominance and multiple alleles in genetics. This topic highlights how more complex inheritance patterns work beyond simple dominant and recessive traits. What is codominance? Codominance occurs when both alleles for a gene are equally expressed in the phenotype. Neither is dominant or recessive over the other. Both codominant alleles are represented with uppercase letters in genetic cross diagrams. The letters used are different. The following is an example. Outside of blood groups, in certain cows, the allele for red fur R and the allele for white fur W are codominant. Heterozygous individuals, RW, have roan fur, a mixture of red and white. The cow with roan fur is both red and white as the alleles, for red and white fur are codominant. This means both are expressed. The inheritance of blood is an example of codominance. The ABO blood group system is controlled by a single gene with 3 alleles. IA codes for group A blood. IB codes for group B blood. IO codes for group O blood. IA and IB are codominant, meaning both alleles can be expressed together and can lead to blood group AB. IO is recessive to both IA and IB. The ABO blood group system demonstrates codominance and multiple alleles where both IA and IB can be expressed together. Punnett squares can predict offspring blood types, helping us understand inheritance patterns. A parent with type A blood, IAIO, and a parent with type B blood, IBIO, will lead to the following possible genotypes and phenotypes. 25% will be IAIB, which is blood group AB. 25% will be IAIO, which is blood group A. 25% will be IBIO, which is blood group B. 25% will be IOIO, which is blood group O. Let's apply what we have learned to a past paper question. This question is asking us to describe why a child can be born with the blood group AB. We know from our learning that IA and IB are codominant, meaning both alleles can be expressed together and can lead to blood group AB. In addition to this, we know that both alleles can be inherited from our parents. If we compare our learning to the mark scheme, we would have got the marks outlined in every single bullet point. So full marks. Well done. Let's apply what we have learnt to this 6-mark question. This question is asking us to explain why a child with blood group A, mother in a blood group B, father has inherited blood group O. We know from our learning that IA and IB are codominant. IO is recessive to both IA and IB. This means for the child to be blood group O, the parents must be carriers of the O blood group. In other words, the mother must be IAIO and the father must be IBIO. The Punnett square will therefore look like this. This shows that the child's genotype is IOIO and that there was a 25% chance of the child being born with blood group O. If we compare our learning to the mark scheme, we would have got the marks outlined in every single bullet point, so full marks. Well done. Our animations were designed by experienced UK-trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.